In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy in Amazon. We'll walk through a simple, real-world example using the UK site so you can see exactly what happens from the homepage to placing an order with Buy Now. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.co.uk. Make sure you see the secure padlock and the Amazon logo so you know you're on the official site, not an ad or a lookalike page. Once the homepage loads, you're ready to shop. If you use Amazon regularly, your region, language, and delivery area may already be set, which helps the site show accurate prices and delivery times. Keep in mind that Buy Now uses your saved defaults, so having your address and payment method up to date will make checkout seamless. Next, look at the highlights on the homepage. These are the large rotating banners and featured tiles that showcase popular deals and top picks. Click a highlighted product that catches your eye to open its product page. This page is where you can confirm the key details, the title and specifications, the price, any available variants such as size or color, estimated delivery, and who the item is sold and dispatched by. Spend a moment scanning the ratings and reviews for extra confidence and make sure the option you want is selected so the right version ends up in your basket or order. When you're satisfied, locate the Buy Now button on the right side of the product page. Clicking Buy Now places the order using your default delivery address, payment method, and delivery preferences. That's why a quick double check of the item details and quantity beforehand is worth it. After you click, Amazon will process the purchase and show you an order confirmation screen. You'll see a summary with the delivery estimate and the amount charged. If anything doesn't look right, you can usually manage or cancel a just placed order from your orders shortly after purchase. That's the entire flow. Go to amazon.co.uk, pick an item from the homepage highlights, and complete the purchase with Buy Now. A couple of quick reminders as you shop. Check whether the item is Prime eligible if fast delivery matters to you, and glance at the seller information so you know whether it's shipped by Amazon or a third party. With those checks in mind, you can buy confidently in just a few clicks.